Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a 2019 Lincoln Nautilus step by step. Locate the battery under the hood, open both hoods, and position the donor vehicle so cables reach comfortably. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion and clean if needed. Keep metal objects away and have gloves ready. I'll guide you through correct cable order, starting technique, run time, and safety checks to finish confidently and avoid damage. Start by attaching the positive red cable to the Nautilus positive terminal, then to the donor battery positive terminal, keeping clamps secure. Next, attach the black cable to the donor negative terminal and clamp the other black end to an unpainted metal ground on the Nautilus away from the battery. Double-check connections for tightness and correct placement, then prepare to start the donor vehicle while maintaining steady tension on the cables. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for waiting during car troubleshooting, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that lasts through road trips. It's compact, easy to read in bright sun, and perfect for short breaks while you wait for a battery to charge. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With cables connected correctly, start the donor car and let it idle for a few minutes to build charge. Attempt to start the Nautilus. If it turns over, keep both cars running and carefully remove clamps in reverse order. Black from ground, black from donor, red from Nautilus. Allow the Nautilus to idle or drive gently for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery fully and monitor for any electrical warning lights before concluding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.